If you've been scrolling online and stumbled across the Glov Micro Infusion System with its bold promises of boosting collagen, smoothing fine lines, and increasing serum absorption by up to 300%, you might be asking yourself whether this is truly a skincare breakthrough or just another overhyped gadget designed to grab attention. The product markets itself as a revolutionary alternative to expensive treatments, even flashing badges that suggest it's been featured in popular outlets like Glamour and Women's Health. But when you dig into it, there's no verifiable proof that those magazines ever actually endorsed it. Even more concerning, several of the before and after photos they use in their marketing appear to be stock images or copied from unrelated sources, which casts serious doubt on the authenticity of their results. Add to that their impressive-sounding claims, like 97% of users reporting smoother skin and 91% seeing brighter complexions. Yet these numbers don't seem to come from any clinical trials or scientific studies, which makes the statistics feel more like clever marketing than hard evidence. When it comes to real user feedback, experiences are divided. Some people say the tool gave them a fresher, plumper look and even liken it to a gentler alternative to Botox, while others share frustrations about the serum not dispensing properly, inconsistent results, and the disappointment of feeling pressured by constant 70% OFF and limited time only sales tactics that seem designed to push impulse purchases. The truth is, while there are positive reviews out there, the combination of questionable marketing practices, exaggerated claims, and negative customer experiences makes it hard to fully trust the product. In the end, the Glov Micro Infusion System sits in a middle ground. It's not entirely a scam since some users genuinely enjoy it, but it's far from being the miracle skincare solution the brand tries to sell. So approaching it with caution is the smartest move if you're considering giving it a try.